Hey all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So, by now, you all would already be knowing that this is the integration playlist, and we have almost completed inbound integration. And now I'm exploring some lesser known APIs. So, in the previous few videos, we have already explored aggregate API, we have explored attachment API, and import set API part 1 means because it consisted of transform maps and a lot of intricate concepts. So I distributed it into two parts, otherwise the video would be quite long. So yeah, that's that. Here is different APIs. So from this I picked up some commonly asked APIs and commonly used APIs also, means that will make your work easier. So um, so basically import set API part 1 was the last video, and this video is the follow up part 2. So in the last video I had demonstrated, just check out the last video. You'll find the link in the I button flashing in the top right corner. Okay, and yeah, you check out that video. So in that video I covered two things, like all the mandatory fields on the forms were being bypassed, even though like enforced mandatory fields on only mapped fields was checked, business rules were checked. So yeah, all that I explained. And two more things, like all the concepts are there. You can see the timestamp also in that video, which clearly describes what all is in there. And in this video also you will find the timestamp in the pinned comment in the description also, so you can navigate as per your interest and requirement both. So yeah, without any further ado, let's begin. Now the third requirement that we will take up is about this channel field. Okay, yeah, you see I told the choice action is present in case of reference fields and choice fields. So you see, if choice action is not, means choice value that you have not provided, it is not present in your instance, it will go ahead and create it. So again, you don't want that. So what you want is, you will again choice action field, again this choice is not a mandatory field, so I can choose to ignore it, but I do want choice. Okay, so but I do want choice. So what I'll do is, I'll select ignore here. If it doesn't find, it will ignore it. But wait, I will also use source script here. Yeah, I'll choose to ignore it. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I think that is about the third requirement. Yeah, we can choose to ignore it. So I was talking about the choice fields, and it will work that way. Okay. Now let's pass chat one and see that this will be ignored. Now, okay, let's pass correct this. Same field I'll take here. Now, see, I'm passing incorrect channel value. Okay. It has went ahead and created it, but you will see that it has ignored the channel value because, but you can ignore the channel value because the value that I provided was not matching from the instance. Now suppose, if let's say user has provided the channel value as 1, okay, then I want to map it to chat. If the user has provided channel value as email, sorry, 2, I want to chat it to map it to email. If the user has provided the channel value as 3, I want to map it to phone. If user has provided the channel value as 5, I want to map it to self service. Okay, that is it. That requirement I want to implement. Then what I will do is, if source dot u channel equal to 1, then what I will return chat. Now else if source dot u underscore channel equal to 2, what I said, I'll return chat, I think, sorry, phone, email, phone, self-service. Okay, I'll return email. Now else if source dot u channel equal to 3, then I want to return um, what it was, phone. Yeah. Now in all the other cases apart from 1 2 3, if they have provided anything else, I want to return, yeah, the return is already there. I want to return self service. This field I'll take. Okay, again one more option. Let's say what is called va I'll give. Okay. Mm. Then we need to return va. Okay. In all the other cases I'll just return self service. Okay, let's just save it. Same thing I'll test here. Yeah, these are the standards. These can easily be followed by any external data, and you need to manage how the data is coming from their side. Okay, I'll be giving it one. Now I want to map it to chat, so I have given one. It has saved already. I'm providing one here. Now let's send it. Hmm. Yeah, so it has given me this incident number. Let's check. Yeah, so you see it has already taken chat. So these are very important requirements which will come and which will always come. Okay, so I showed you two regarding reference fields, one regarding choice field, and one I'll show regarding the string field, which I have taken as short description item because it is being provided as an input, so that would be better. So I want it to be prefixed with the name of the configuration item. Okay, that's how. Meanwhile it loads. So I can tell you that I want to create on after here. Why? Because the record is already created. I will be using an on after script here on the short description field. Why? Because I want it to append with the existing short description and existing configuration item. So how will I be getting these values when the record is already created, right? So go ahead and create an on after transform script. So we are already having source and target here. So what I will do is that so for short description I'm doing, so what I will do is if the short description field is provided, then only if source dot use short description is equal to empty and not, I will add here. So if it is not empty, then only I will need to modify it. Otherwise what it will become is it will having no value and it will just be 5 planning appended with and nothing. Yeah, so that's not what I want. Okay. Hmm. So if it is not empty, then what I will do, I will fetch it target dot short description is equals to uh, target dot configuration target.cmdbci.get display value. Why? Because it is a reference field and then I wanted to append with a space and then I wanted to append it with a, now it is already transformed, so I will append with target only, target.short description. Okay, yeah, that's that, and I'll just save it. Let's try this out. Why I have given this condition that if source or use short description, because if I have not passed the short description value, I don't want it to be just me showing the configuration item name in the short description, right? let's try it again. So wait. Incident number. Yeah, yeah. So since I was modifying the short description field, so it was not taking the target one. Okay, I have taken the source one. Yeah, source dot use short description, and I've used target dot update. Target dot update I had not used. I think that is on after the script test. Send it. Mhm. Yeah, so you can see this worked. Now let's just try on update once. Update is, I mean, it should work. Let me take the same number I will pass which we just created. Okay, and in this I'll update it to what was the third value which I had passed. I had passed phone for value as 3. Okay, that I will do, and I'll just send it. Okay, so you can see the status is updated here, and it has given me the incident number and also the sys id. So yeah, you can see that it is updated. I updated the channel field. So see, yeah, you can see the channel is updated to phone, and yeah, so yeah, it worked. What else I can show? Mm-mm. Yeah, I think I have demonstrated all the requirements that you can face or will be facing, or so less or more it will be associated with this only in your instances, and you can modify it. Insert multiple records. This actually follows let me show you once by doing this also, but mm, okay, this is the API reference. Okay, so this follows, I will be giving in raw, this follows a particular uh, format. This is for this is for single record post. Okay, yeah, this is for multiple record, and this is the format that we need to follow. Okay, let me just copy paste it and show you here. So records is the root array that it is having. So column label 1 I have to pass. So column label 1 I will be giving, because color is mandatory, so I will give that. Column label 2 short description. Okay, and column label 3 uh, column label 3 I'll just pass number. Okay, and value it has to be empty here, so I'll just pass it as value is empty. Okay, short description value I will pass as test1. uh, Caller value I'll pass as deepa dot shah. Okay, and again same caller value I'll pass as, what value shall I give? Able tutor. Let's give able tutor. uh, uh, uh. Column label 2, again short description I will pass, and this I will give test 2. uh, Again same, this whole I will copy, and this is for post only, it is not for yeah, but it will work for update also. It will work as per my this. Okay, um that's that. Okay, I'm not given comma here. Yeah, so it should give me a multiple import set id. It should give me, yes, so this has given me import set id, and this has given me multi import set id. So you can actually search in your import set table. Wait, you import incident. you can actually search in this table by applying filter that your import set. Yeah. Set import set fields sys id. So sys id is, let me pass the sys id here. Yeah, so you can see that it has given me these two records of the transformation. Yeah, yeah, that you can check in your import set table. Okay, so that is about the import set APIs. I hope you learned a lot. If you and you learned something new also, if you were already knowing about the import set APIs, you learned a lot of things about transform maps also. So let me know how this was, and kindly like, share and subscribe. A lot of hard work is there. I would be grateful. So yeah, that's that. Bye bye everybody. Bye.